everyone's always going to need a plumber, always going to need an electrician, you know, no matter what happens with AI. So my name is Martin Webb. I'm the Head of Department for Apprenticeships in the Building Services, which covers plumbing and electrical. So as an apprentice with plumbing and electrical, so they'll come into college 1 day a week. It's a 4-year program. With the electrical, they only come into college up to the end of year 3, and then year 4 they're out in the workplace, and we're gathering portfolio evidence. So we try and give them the same, you know, the same benefits that full-time students get. They get invited out on trips that the colleges organise. We have guest speakers come in. We work quite closely with the employers because we have a training plan that describes, you know, basically what they're going to need to do throughout the programme and what evidence they're going to need to, you know, to show that they can, you know, they're competent in certain areas. And my team of trainers will go out and see the apprentices every 8 to 10 weeks in the workplace to discuss, you know, how they're getting on at college, how they're getting on at work. So yeah, so you know, there's plenty of support for them. You know, if they're struggling with certain bits, you know, we now have inclusive learning tutors, progression mentors that are part of EKC training. There are always trades that are always going to be needed. There's a national, not only in Kent, but nationally there's a shortage, so you're never going to be without work. And you can take it wherever you want it to go. You know, either stay at your employer or, you know, branch out, set yourself up,